there was a man named Nephi. Right.
He was a prophet.
He was a prophet. What?
He was the son of Levi.
He was the son of Levi.
And he was very obedient.
He was very obedient.
He loved God and Jesus Christ.
He loved God and Jesus Christ.
One day he was asked to do something very hard.
One time he was asked to do one thing very hard.
And he said he knew he could do it.
And he said he knew he could do it.
Because God had
because God had commanded him.
And if God commanded him,
And if God commanded him,
God would help him accomplish it.
God would help him accomplish it.
Nephi.
I love Nephi.
I know he was a prophet.
I know he was a prophet.
I want to follow his example.
And I want to follow his example. I'm a child of God.
Okay.
Busy as a bumblebee. Busy as a bumblebee. That she's my mother. Always looking after me. That she's my mother. Making bread the whole day long. Should be someone else's mom. It's for her I'll sing this song. That's my mother. I'll take a bow.
Is it your turn?
Bye.
I am a child of God, and He has sent me here, has given me an earthly home with parents kind and dear. Lead me, guide me, walk beside me, help me find the way. Teach me all that I must do to live with Him someday. Take a bow, Emma.
Having wardrobe malfunction.
Take a bow. Peekaboo. This is exciting. Oh, is that exciting?
No. Let's sing. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emma. Happy birthday to you. Whoa! Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emma. Happy birthday to you.
Let's get a little closer.
Oh. Hi. Door. Peekaboo.